Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, one owner, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.